In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on conversation intelligence in Hubspot. This powerful feature allows Hubspot to automatically transcribe and analyze your calls, giving you valuable insights into customer conversations and helping improve both sales performance and customer service. To get started, head over to the Hubspot website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on the gear icon to open your account settings. This is where you'll configure most of the features we're covering today. Inside the settings menu, use the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find the calling section. Click on it to expand the available options. From there, select Call Setup, which is where Hubspot manages how calls are handled within your account. Next, locate Call Configurations. This section controls important call-related features, including transcription and analysis. Scroll down until you see the toggle labeled Transcription and Analysis. This option enables Hubspot to automatically transcribe calls and extract insights from conversations. Turn on the Transcription and Analysis toggle and allow a moment for the setting to apply. Once enabled, Hubspot will begin processing your calls and generating actionable insights. And that's it. You've successfully activated Conversation Intelligence in Hubspot. With this feature enabled, you can better understand customer interactions and make data-driven decisions to improve your communication strategies. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need assistance.